My birthday weekend and I'm just starting to get ready. I have done one eye of my lashes already and I just thought I would show you because these lashes are literally the best. If you're someone who used to get lash extensions and just can't afford them anymore like me, or you're just giving your lashes a break, these are the best alternative, and I thought I'd just show you while I do my other eye since I'm getting ready. These are honestly the best alternative I have found on the market. I do not like Bond and Seal lashes. I love these though. They're pre-glued, so they already come with the glue attached to the lash. They last 5 to 10 days, which is the perfect amount for me because I like to do my lashes weekly. I also just like how natural these ones are. I'm not a huge, glam lash person, but these are like the perfect amount for me. I also just love how easy these lashes are. I like to do high maintenance things to be low maintenance, but I want to do them as quickly as possible. I do not want to be stuffing around. I don't want things that take me a long time, and these are the first lashes that I've found that literally take me seconds to apply, and actually take me seconds to apply. Although you only need your tweezers to apply them, pop them on, hence the name Pop On Lashes. They're unreal. I love them. I have gone with mapping of 12, 12, 10 and an 8. Purely because I like them to look very natural. They do go all the way up to a 14. So they go from 8 to 14. So you can map them however you like. That is honestly it. They look amazing. They take seconds. I think you should go and get your hands on them now because I'm literally obsessed with them. I think all lash girlies will be once they've tried them. So it's only a matter of time before it will be very hard to get your hands on these, I think. But yeah, if you're someone who likes lashes, you just don't like the stuff around that comes with them, go and get the Silly George pop-on ones right now.